You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this actress. If you want to learn more celebrity names, make sure to stay tuned. Got many more videos for you. So let's hear it from her. This is a short clip from Broadway.com YouTube channel. They have a video named Ask a Star, which I recommend you watch. And here is her saying her own name.
Everybody, I'm Sutton Foster.
Sutton. So it's the American way, Sutton. I mean, in British English it'd be Sutton. Sutton Foster. Sutton Foster. Sutton Foster is how she says her name, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.